Hi, Jake Dozer, Certified Financial Planner with Johnson Brunetti, and we're here today with today's Money Wisdom question series. Today's question is, what should I expect from a financial workshop? Maybe you're somebody who's approaching or has recently retired and you received an invitation from us to come out to a workshop. Oftentimes those are hosted around a dinner table at a local restaurant, or maybe they're just exclusively educational in nature. Either way, people oftentimes are curious, what should I expect? What are we going to be talking about? A couple things that I want to let you know about. Number one, that's an event that you're not going to feel pressure. That's not an event where you're going to come out and hear us position some sort of magic bullet investment product that solves all your woes. No. As fiduciaries, Johnson Brunetti's obligation is to understand a person's situation before giving specific investment advice. But rather, that event, in contrast, is about what you want to talk about. Normally, other than a free meal, something brings somebody out for an event like that. And it's oftentimes centered around, am I going to be okay in retirement? Obviously, that statement is a large, overarching statement, but there's specifics, and those are oftentimes the themes that live inside of that question of what's my retirement going to look like? Am I going to run out of money? When should I retire? What are taxes in retirement going to be out? And the list goes on and on. So at that event, what you'll find is that unlike some events where there's going to be a PowerPoint slide and projections and data that's going to glaze your eyes over and bore you and wish that the dinner rolls were in front of you. In contrast, our event is going to be an opportunity for you to ask questions and us to engage in a conversation with other folks who are in a similar stage of life as you, wanting to understand how to plan for retirement and what are the best tools and tricks available to make you as prepared as possible to enjoy the lifestyle of retirement that you want and that you've worked hard to attain. So again, this is not an opportunity for us to throw some magic bullet at you. It's not an opportunity for us to pressure you. It's an opportunity for you to get an education around the questions that you are concerned about so that you're as prepared as possible to have a retirement planning. At the end, we'll give you an opportunity to come in and have a complimentary consultation with one of our advisors to be more specific about the questions that are on your mind and maybe some of the questions you didn't even think of before you came to the dinner that you'd like to have answered. Again, this is Jake Dozer with today's Money Wisdom question series around the idea of what should I expect from a financial planning workshop. I hope that today's video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, give it a like. Maybe share it with somebody else that you think would be beneficial from this video. And be sure to subscribe so you can see other videos like this in the future. Have a great day.